In other news, Ventia has collaborated with Swoop Aero, Telstra Communicare and human factors specialist Opposite to seize the WA challenge. With me is Zach from Swoop Aero. Zach, what's the concept?
Thanks, Gary. What if there was a way to monitor the health of patients and at-risk people in real time, so that if something goes wrong, they can get exactly the care they need at exactly the time they need it? The idea is simple, but the execution isn't. But we've come up with a way to make it seamless. Swoop Aero has overcome gaps in infrastructure to deliver over 1 million healthcare items by drone across the world. Now, alongside the project partners brought together by Ventia, we're bringing our technology home. In a world first, we'll use wearable medical devices to monitor patient health and respond to changes in real time. In the case of an adverse event, these devices will alert the community health centre to respond by putting the appropriate treatment into a drone and sending it direct to the patient. We've got scale and sustainability covered, but cultural safety is every bit as important.
Nick, as a psychologist and a human factors specialist, what is cultural safety?
Thanks, Gary. Cultural safety is about creating an environment that is respectful and non-threatening for Aboriginal people. We can achieve this through effective human-centred design that is founded in respect awareness and which fosters trust. That's what my team and I will research and look for ways to establish.
Thanks, Nick. WA Government, over to you.